Yeah, what's going on? So today we got police activity, and the title is DUI suspect tries to bite officers at Los Angeles hospital. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, it's a big guy. Hey, listen, buddy, I gotta handcuff you. I don't care what you have to say. I gotta do it. Turn around. Look, my mom. Turn around for me.
Incident 363791
Good.
44 Mary Queen 80, show me comes with 6 with 24 Queen, you come up, please.
Yeah.
24 Mary Queen.
It's a big guy.
24 Mary Queen 80, Roger.
Putting 2 sets of handcuffs on you because you're a big guy. Why are you being handcuffed? Because you're being detained for suspicion of driving under the influence of narcotics. Or possibly alcohol or a combination of both. We're going to figure that out, okay? All right. Hold on. I'm not going in the car. I'm not going. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Wait. Oh, my body hurt. Oh, my God.
If you get up, it's gonna hurt less. Hey, if you just get up, it's gonna hurt less. Just go with
We
the
can do
program.
what we're gonna do
I'm
at
not
a
going
hospital.
with not happy. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be worse for you.
Not happy. Let's do that. We're gonna call an ambulance.
He said, if you get up, it's gonna hurt less. Just go with the program. I don't understand why, especially once you're already like in handcuffs, why act a fool? You already in handcuffs, and now it's like you got limited mobility. Come on now.
Good job, man. Thanks. Yeah. I'll follow you guys.
Okay, so far everything is pretty all right. I want to see how this goes left, you know? Oh, he's starting to act a fool. Hold up. Damn, where all the blood come from though?
Ryan, relax. Hey, look, if you don't get cooperative, all right, your mom's not gonna come, your friends who's in the lobby right now, help me. She's gonna be, we don't want to concern her, right?
I'm getting sick.
Okay, so relax.
Try to bite me one more time.
Relax, okay? Just go where you need to go right now so that they can take care of you, and that's it.
Can we push? Let's push. All right.
Stop. Relax. Can you fold a bed back?
Be careful, ladies.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join. Check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis. You're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Help me, please. Stop trying to bite me. What the hell's your problem? Help me! Trying to bite me. Watch your hand, bud. Help me, please!
Ryan, relax. Ryan, relax.
God damn it. Watch out, Eddie.
Relax. Hey, this is gonna be bad for you, dude. Keep resisting us, okay? You need to relax. Alright? Get back on the gurney and relax.
I'm dying. Brian, you're not dying.
You're in the hospital right now. Listen. You need to stop biting him. Alright, you want additional charges against him, please stop biting. Do you understand?
Put that over his face. Push him back down to the thing. Hey, dude. Get him. Okay. I want you to take this off. We're gonna grab his feet. Go fucking hobble him.
Strong, dude.
This is to stop him from spitting.
Just hold him there until we get more guys.
Watch your hand.
Ryan, you need to relax, dude. You're just causing more problems for yourself right now.
Okay. Towel went around his face. Spitting and biting.
Just relax. Alright? Stop biting the officers. You understand? Relax. Okay?
I'm on my foot.
Brian, relax.
Let go.
Alright? You need to relax. You need to start following our directions. Okay?
Oh, wow.
You're gonna start following directions? Alright, I want you to sit up. Alright?
Okay.
You're not gonna
Sarge.
Alright? Why are you trying to make it all hard for yourself?
Okay.
Alright? Relax.
Yes, sir.
Try to sit up on the chair right now.
Okay.
Get
up on the chair, dude.
Okay, I want you to do it.
Yes, sir. Get up on the gurney. Come on, let's go. Come, Ryan. Okay. Well, I'll do anything you want.
Okay. Like I said, sit up on the chair.
Okay. I will. Sit up. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you.
Sit up.
Okay.
Brian, start moving up.
Okay.
Start moving. You move up?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Brian.
Y'all think he gonna do it?
All right.
Let's, buddy.
I don't know. I don't think he gonna do it, man. I think he's still gonna act a fool, man. I think he's still gonna act a fool, bruh. They got the towel around him. I mean, that's a sloppy. That's messy, bruh. Like, the dude is bleeding, like all types of stuff. You would think maybe in the ambulance they would try to, at least wipe him off a little bit, like clean him up a little bit. Like, I don't know, but damn, yeah, bro. Ooh, man, and he biting him. Oh man.
Scoot up, Brian.
I got you. Okay, scoot up. Scoot up. Okay.
Just watch his hand because he's gonna pinch off the hand.
Okay.
Put him in the seat, he's gonna pinch off his finger.
Put your left hand. No. Right.
Okay.
Alright, sit up.
Okay, sorry. Yes, sir.
Yeah, probably.
Yes, sir.
Brian, you need to sit up.
Brian, get back on the gurney. Brian, you have on the gurney right now.
Stand up if you can.
Patient here in the doorway, coming to jail, that's acting out.
Yes, sir. I'll do anything else. Okay, sit back. Brian, you need to sit back. Okay, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back.
There we go.
Thank you.
Alright. Brian, relax.
Lay your head back, Brian.
Let's bring him down more. No, down.
Down.
Like position.
You taught me so much.
Okay?
Thank you.
Now, let's try to strap him down.
Thank you.
Strap him down.
You can do that. You can do anything you want. Yes, sir.
Can you strap
Yes, sir.
upper body as well?
I understand now.
Yeah, they put that thing on. They wrapped that thing around him. Now he understand. He comprende. Yeah, he fully understand. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, it shouldn't have to take all of that. You know what I mean? Because it's like, when you already in a situation, you already about to get locked up. You already in cuffs. So everything else that you do, you already in trouble. So the only thing that you can do in this scenario is tack on more charges. Like, that's it. All you doing is making their case stronger. Like, that, it don't make no sense why people do this.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.